Alright, ready? Tomei coming in hot, boys. Hunter's got some new headers and downpipe for today's video. Boy, where we get these?
SUBIESUPPLYCO.
The only best fucking place to buy from. Alright, unbox it. Let's see. Alright, let's open the first one first. Yeah, let's check out the downpipe. Ooh. Damn, wait, yo, let's show the logo, bro. That looks badass. Just says Tomei along the top of it like that. That looks fucking sleek. Yo, look how clean that finishes, though.
It is nice.
So you can put an O2 sensor in here if you ever wanted to. Gaskets here provided by Tomei and Grimspeed underneath here for the downpipe. Damn, and if we look in here, look at those unequal length headers. Pull those bad boys out. Here, I'll hold the box. Yo. Hold that up nice and proud, bud. Yo, that was clean. That looks so badass, though. Look how fucking good this. Oh, hold them up, like at me. Yo, like, look how fucking clean that looks. Those are Tomei unequal lengths, guys, for the Wrx Bugeye here, and let me tell you, they're looking freaking mean. Oh, this is gonna be so fun tomorrow. Are you stoked? Be honest, how stoked are you?
To get that exhaust leak fixed and louder.
Yeah.
Coworkers are excited.
Dude, I'm fucking pumped. Oh shit, check out the heat wrap. Yo, that is cool. That's cool. That's nice. So you can wrap the fucking headers too. Alright guys, so basically I kind of been posting about this on the Instagram, a little bit on TikTok. What we're gonna be doing here with Hunter's O2 Wrx, these Tomei products here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna be installing a new up pipe, new headers. But anyways guys, we got some new products here coming in for the O2 Bugeye. I'm gonna fix a huge exhaust leak. This is gonna give a little bit better performance and sound, more or less the sound. Right now it's got a nasty exhaust leak, so that kind of sucks. But yeah, we're gonna install those tomorrow. I just got off work here.
I love this.
So yeah, it's gonna be real sick. Got some cool content coming with that. Maybe Hunter's gonna do some more build stuff for it. I don't know.
Turbo.
Oh yeah, he wants to do the turbo. Maybe we're gonna throw a Grimspeed intake there too, just because this Cobb one's really beat up.
And Japanese intercooler.
You're gonna do it all?
Maybe.
Really?
Depends on how much fun I'm gonna have when the turbo's done.
I mean, we could, but you're gonna have to get it retuned.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, because we're on the 93 tune, ROM Raider open source tune. We have to get that retune if we do that. But yo, we could get real freaking gnarly with that. Yo, Big Fish will help ya. I'll be right there at your side.
I'll win every race. You know why?
Why?
Because it's automatic. Off the jump.
You should not have said that. I'm leaving it in the video. You're gonna get scolded for having an auto. I don't know. I mean, your weight ratio is better than mine, right? Because I got a 13. They're a little bit heavier and stuff, and you got that O2 that just flies. I mean, I don't know. Your car is quick, though. I will say it is quick already. I'd like to take him to the strip, though. Or not, you know what
Mexico.
I mean. Yeah, we'll take him to Mexico. Me and you one-on-one here, just with my current tune versus your current tune once we put the headers on. But then again, if your turbo's leaking, maybe we gotta wait till that gets fixed, huh?
This might fix it a little bit, but there's no build. Coming home today, up the hills,
Nothing.
70, 80
Yeah, I know. You can't hit boost. It's crazy how much an exhaust leak like that really like messes it up, eh? But yeah, guys, we got some cool stuff coming for this. Hopefully some good content coming again, bringing this thing back to the channel. Used to film and do a lot of photos and stuff with it, and we just haven't lately. But yeah, I'm super pumped. But yeah, when you see us next year, we'll be at the shop getting ready to put stuff on. You ready? Do you get everything packed already?
in the box.
Oh, okay. I thought you were already going out to the car. Are you stoked? I'm fucking stoked.
Oh yeah.
Let's fucking go. All right, boys. Good morning. It is now. What day is it? Did it say Wednesday? I don't even know what day it is. I think today's Wednesday.
Yeah.
All right, it's now Wednesday morning. I'm just about to eat here, and then we're gonna head out. Well, anyways, we're just getting ready to head out here. We're both super stupid excited. Are you ready for me to teach you how to be a fucking Subi nerd, even though he bought one of these cars before me and got me into the cars?
We need this. Install manual.
Absolutely not. Fucking manual. I'll be honest, I'm a little horny to hear the exhaust leak fix. But anyways, I'm gonna go eat, guys, then we're gonna head on out, and I'll tune back in when we're at the shop. All right, so got Hunter's car here now in the garage here. Look at that dirty ass engine bay. When's the last time you washed this thing? The day before never?
Well, the outside's every time I leave for work. The inside.
Look at that intake. That thing is done so. So we're definitely gonna check that map.
And
We're gonna clean that.
we're gonna get the Grimspeed one.
Yeah, we're gonna buy that eventually. We're gonna do some plugs real quick. Gotta pop the battery out, maybe the washer.
Yeah, because it's right under there.
Yeah, so I'll probably pop that out real quick. But yeah, that's what we're about to do right now, get this all going.
The Subaru tuning shop then, eh?
That's pretty much what it's turned into. Alright guys, so we got a Wrx filter here. It's the only oil filters I trust besides the black Mazda ones. Some NGK spark plugs here. Rotella Shell oil. You were gonna be the first Subi I ever put Rotella oil in. Supposedly it's the big pup. It's between that and Motul. We're gonna try the Shell today because it didn't have any Motul. That's okay. Shell I've heard really good things about, so we're gonna run it today and see how she goes.
The first time there's gonna be 2 Shell things in my car.
Shell gas and Shell oil today. You're switching over. You're becoming a man. All right, what do you say we get to spark plugging?
Yeah, it's a 2 12 mils.
Let's do it. That is 1 coil pack for the spark plugs.
Try and clip this one.
These actually don't look too bad. Got it? And that's 2, so that's 2 and 4.
Does it look?
So that's 2, 4.
Actually looks pretty good.
These don't look terrible for how old they are. I don't know if they were replaced in recent years, but they don't look terrible for how old they are.
On coil packs?
I honestly feel like these ones are going to be slightly harder to get. You get it? Damn. So we already got 1 out. Got the second one coming out right now. Hunter's just wrenching her out. You have enough room to clear it all? Just gonna shake it up and down a bit.
I'm gonna get it to the point where it can get out and take the socket off of it, or the ratchet off, and just do what I did with the other one.
So air filter, just dusted it out. That's all we're gonna do until we replace it. We should be replacing that soon. Got some cleaner on here. This MAF is all cleaned off. It's a little dirty, but we're just gonna rag it off, I guess. Got all the spark plugs in now. Hunter's just going to put in the first coil pack, and yeah, we're making good progress so far. All right, so we got cylinders 2 and 4 done here. You can see we're all done here. Those coil packs in there, they're all replaced, they're all done. I don't know how well the camera's gonna pick it up. Sorry, not the coil packs, I meant the spark plugs. We didn't replace the coils, but those are all back in there, they're done. Hunter now is getting to work here on the air intake side. So we gotta do cylinders 1 and 3 now. Yeah, everything's going along pretty good so far. Haven't run into too many issues. Hunter's just running into an issue. Hunter just came.
Why are you so tight?
That's what she said. Love Subies, love God. Hey, what do you want? You need to get this out?
The coil pack.
You need to wiggle it sideways and pull up. Okay? You hear me? Ready? Look at that thing. Is this one zip tied too? No, it's not. Ready? Grab this plug. Boom. That's how you get your coil plug out. That is cylinder 3 right there, guys. That is your cylinder 3 coil. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that is your other spark plug coming out of the other side of the car. Holy shit, my hands are fucking black. Oh my God, I didn't realize how much oil were in there. Yeah, looks pretty good. It's about kind of what we expected, so I don't know, so far so good. Now it's time to throw the new ones in. We just got the last plug going in here. Hunter's just getting it started down here right now. Honestly, these spark plugs in these cars, they're not as hard as people say it is to do. Again, kind of like I said earlier, they're easy. The cars are easy to work on. It's just tedious. Like, it's just getting in a tight area. You need like an extra extension. Sometimes a long socket, sometimes a shallow socket, sometimes a swivel extension, sometimes just a normal ratchet. It kind of just depends on the angle and how close the body of the car is kind of to your spark plug hole. Because we've, you know, gone through a couple different accessories per cylinder kind of just to get it in there easier. It's really easy to do though. Like, it is not that hard. Like, look, Hunter's about to be done right now. He's just getting the last torque in there. Alright, so all the spark plugs now are done. We're just got to kind of reassemble this part of the engine. We're not going to do that yet because we still got a bit of stuff to do. I'm going to grab some PB Blaster for Hunter. We're going to get the car unbolted and kind of prepped. Just drop the downpipe. And then we're going to put on that new Tomei stuff. Woo! This is yours. Nice. You know what you're doing with that?
Every single bolt.
Every single bolt you see on the back of that turbo, you're doing. Alright, let's unbolt a fucking downpipe. Oh! Go. Boom! That might be hot, careful.
Next side.
We might not even need it. Oh. Ready?
Yep. Because this is the one I got replaced.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
That makes sense. Well, there you are, buddy. Your, ow, fuck, your headers are off. That was about 8 times easier than it was on my car. There we are, EJ, manifold off for now. Okay, now we gotta remove the up pipe. Hunter?
What?
Yo, what the fuck is that? Holy shit, look at that fucking thing.
That looks.
Oh my god.
Well, I can see why.
Hold on, yo, I gotta get that on the big camera. Hold on. Okay, go ahead and grab that again. Oh my fucking god.
Easy access.
Holy shit. I didn't realize it was that bad. Look at that fucking thing. Holy shit, dude. So that's the old up pipe there. We got it out of the car now. Looks like the previous owner of this car definitely did some bad stuff to the turbo, so we're gonna try and clean up some of the bolts, see if we can mount this better, because I don't really want to mount the new up pipe with only 5 studs, with only 3 studs, because I only had 3 on it. Where, yeah, I don't know how well you can see in there, but you can see on the bottom left there, the other studs broke off where the mounting would go. But yeah, that's kind of where we're at right now. Hunter, ready to slap that Tomei stuff on?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh. Getting ready to do our oil change here before we throw the headers on, because why not? Ooh.
Not dirty.
Nice. That was clean. That was a good pull right there, bud.
Fuck, my fingers and shit feel like they have little tiny slivers.
So, fast forwarding a bit.
Wait, we have like 2 or 3 more bolts.
Where?
Turbo.
Yes, up top, the 2. I know that. That's why I said we're done down here. Tomei heat shields, or Tomei headers are heat wrapped. They're looking good. Oil filters in place. Downpipe is hooked back up with the O2 sensor up top here. Yeah, we did a lot. All the cameras died and everything's dying. This is about to die, so we kind of rushed ahead. I couldn't film it all, but we're about to drop the car, finish it off, and then that'll be the first cold start. Once all the new oil's put back in, new air filters put back in, batteries put back in. Come a long way. Are ya fucking stoked, kid?
Yes.
You fucking, are you stoked?
Yes.
Good, good, good. All right, bud.
Ready?
Fire this hoe up. Oh, shit. Oh, yeah. Is that fucking good? What do you think?
It sounds amazing.
Sounds so fucking good. Oh yeah. Oh, we're gonna have a fun drive home.
Holy fuck!
Oh my god. That's like fucking mine.
That's only 3. That's just below 3.
I know. Holy fucking shit. Alright, should we go for a little rip? Test drive? Yeah. Alright boys, me and Hunter, we're going for a fucking rip real quick, test out new headers. Yo, we gotta get the windows down. Ready? Yo, you like that? Fuck yeah. Oh, that's fucking good. I fucking love it.
The boost is back.
Yeah.
It's so much powerful.
Yo, you hear the spool too now?
Holy
Oh, she's back, baby.
This car is
She's
fun
fucking
now.
back. Holy shit. We fucking did it. Oh, I love that. All right, let's fucking go, baby. Let's go home.
That was sick.
That was fucking dope.